I'm so curious to see what the lyrics are talking about, man.
Right?
What's getting you this?
Hello there, everybody. Welcome back to another one. JEEMBO and Pharaoh Chainsaw. Don't know who these people are. Curious to find out, I guess. Without further ado, let's get straight into it.
Oh no, you should be driving. Yeah, when you're drinking. One, because you might die. Two, because a guy with a chainsaw might be coming for you.
And please keep your eyes on the road next time. Hold up, this needs some caption. Oh, no captions. Never mind. I think this is a different language there. That was a vibe there at the start. That was a vibe.
You're getting full out. I'm so curious to see what the lyrics are talking about, man.
Right?
What's getting you this angry?
Yeah.
For you to make a track like this heavy and this music video?
I mean, that flow's incredible. Of course, I
Yeah.
don't understand the language, which is the problem I have with it entirely, and will potentially not make me put it on the playlist and listen to it again. But you know, I respect it for what it is, and shit, it sounds hard as fuck.
Music videos are very sick.
Lyrics are
Very
important in songs like this for me, though. You know, because this is clearly very lyrical. The beat isn't doing too much in the way of switch ups, and at least yet we're halfway through.
Пьет секс, целует шею, мою кровью украшение. Кручу сплив, кидаю Джею. Я старю, но не старею, Я сниму с тебя лицо, твою ссылку на нашейник. Со мной рот отыщет себе ремесло. Я танцую на костях, что горят будто косяк. Если был бы я тупее, то купался бы в бредях. Наблюдай, как я их утоплю, будто котяж. Чтоб ты понял, своими с вышкой ебал твоих тян. Блин, и я такой яркий, блин. Кости прячу в парке, блин. Узи в сумке, Кархард, блин. Мой московский мастер. Просыпаюсь от того, что мне сносет почти модель. И я не кончаю внутрь, она бьет как оптимель. Это тайности картель, я проклятие Аннабель. Если хочешь заплатить мне ДМБ-карт, вот мой имейл, тварь.
That sounds like Mortal Kombat.
Right. Blunt, when did you get captured by Leatherface? And
I haven't got any legs, so.
yeah, I noticed just now.
The music
Right at the end.
Dude, this music video.
That was
It's
cool.
10 out of 10.
That was cool as
I like
hell.
how it's like a little horror movie type outro. Really?
That's dope. I needed that afterwards.
After a song like that little elevated
Yeah, you need
music.
a little bit of that. That was beautiful. I see why it got 8 million views there. Sure.
I wish I knew
Yeah, none of
the
that.
specifics.
No context at all. It's just
However,
yeah, I see why you'd like that heavily.
was it Pharaoh? He went real fast and hard for a sec.
Blonde boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. JEEMBO was not slacking there.
No, he was not. This music video wasn't slacking either. It's a very well produced music video.
Mm.
You know.
Sure they didn't have the budget to show the legs afterwards. Hey, I've seen a lot, being on the internet, so this is quite light for me. Quite fun. Fun video, my guy. Fun videos.
Very entertained.
Yes. Like you were saying, very well produced as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Beats pretty good. Not too many switch ups though.
Mm.
I would have preferred if there were a few more. And for that reason, I feel like maybe if you did understand the lyrics, you could enjoy it a lot more, because that's the hard part about this one, I feel. It's all about those lyrics. Farah at the end with the slightly more screamery type going into that territory a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Very interesting for the end. And other than that, yeah. No, I never been playing that, so. You?
Nope.
Okay.
Okay. That's just been our opinions on this particular video. Please leave a like, sub, comment, give us a bell. Until next time, it's just gonna have to be some peace and some love. And some peace and love and peace and love and peace and love and peace.